What's up? Here's another trade review on the Russel. So this trade was on Thursday. We had this market structure shift over here previously a while ago. I like this dip that got held, and then this dip that held the same area, just sweeping out some more liquidity with this little area that swept here too. These were equal lows in here. So initially I was actually long here on Wednesday when I was trading NASDAQ, where I kind of reviewed that already on my NASDAQ trade. But I also did take a stab on Russell here. And I took a break even there too. But I moved my stop because I saw these equal lows, and they finally did get swept in the evening and with a push up. So we had a big move up on the news here, and I was expecting that since these lows got swept. We came higher, created equal highs, came lower to reaccumulate, and then we consolidated until the news driver. So I was already looking at this to make a big pop, and fundamentally I've been waiting for a rotation into the Russell. So higher time frame was bullish. We came down, held this area. Okay, sorry. So initially we took out buy side, reaccumulated into discount, into fair value gap, and then that's where we really swept out all these highs. So it made sense that we came lower just to take this low again, and that's what we did. So now that we had this move up, we've been reaccumulating for the next big push, and that's been the narrative for me. So yeah, saw the pop off the news. Let's go to smaller time frame. Got in on this wick here, and yeah, exited. Here's my entries. Let's actually show. So here's my executions. I got in on the pullback and exited all along the way, and held some small runners for the macro target. So really good trade here. I'm still bullish here on the Russell, so I'll be eyeing this. It's very similar to the AMD trade in my opinion. So this was a really good trade. The reason I got out was because these equal highs here. This is my classic price target I search for, and I held the runner because I knew we could come way higher and sweep out more highs. But since the trade took so long, we didn't have much time. At the end of the day, I'd exited a little early right into here, which was just shy of my target. So yeah, cool thing to know is just, yeah, the quick movement at the end of the day. I mean, I should have expected that we could just rapidly squeeze, since the close is where we have a lot of volatility. So I should have just waited for the last runner, but that's the only nuance, and we were already really close to it anyways, so for me it was the best thing to do since we had already gotten it. We only had a few minutes left, so yeah, good trade, and that's the review.